Hi friends, this is Akshata from Akshatas Recipes. Hope all of you are doing great out there. Well, after the vanilla ice cream video, I got so many requests as to make some mango ice cream because we are in the mango season. So today I'll be showing you a very easy mango ice cream recipe with a few different ingredients from the vanilla ice cream, but still these ingredients are easily available and it's so easy to make. And today we're going to use the pulp of fresh mangoes, so there's no added preservatives, there's no artificial food flavoring. It's just as natural as it can get. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you do try out this recipe, and I am going to try and make some more ice cream recipes since we are in the summer season and we have kids at home on vacation, and instead of buying the store-bought ice creams, we can make them at home, keep them in our refrigerator, and just serve them whenever anyone's hungry and craving for some ice cream. So friends, without much further ado, let's jump straight ahead into this mango ice cream recipe. Now friends, for our mango ice cream, we have to take everything in the ratio of 1:1:1. So this is 1 cup of fresh cream. I am going to beat this till it gets some nice soft peaks. I'm using a hand whisk. You can also use an electric mixer. Now this is exactly 1 cup of milk powder. So we're going to mix this milk powder in well. You can use any brand of milk powder. This is a very simple and easy recipe. Plus it is completely veg, there are no eggs, just a few ingredients. Again, this is 1 cup of icing sugar. I suggest you buy the store-bought icing sugar rather than making it at home, or if you're making it at home, then please pass it through a sieve or sift it, because when we make it at home, there's always some granules of sugar left behind and you get that grainy flavor in the ice cream. So if you're making it at home, don't forget to sieve it or sift it till you get a very fine powder consistency, very smooth consistency. Again, give everything a very good mix. If you can even put a timer of about 2 or 3 minutes for each mix, because everything has to get very well incorporated. Now we're going to add our magic ingredient, our fresh mango pulp. Of course, I'm using the best of best mangoes, which is the Alfonso or the Apus. We just love mangoes at my home and we just can't get enough of it. They are the best. Mangoes are the king of all fruits. And you can always retain some of the mango pieces, so you get a very nice flavor. Don't make your mango pulp or amras very, very smooth. Let it have some little bit of small pieces of mango. Then, as usual, we're going to pour this into a container, preferably plastic or glass. We're going to cover this with some plastic foil, just like I told you all in the vanilla ice cream. This really helps because then you don't get those fine ice crystals on your ice cream. It's very smooth and very, very delicious. So again, friends, you have to have a lot of patience. We have to freeze this for 12 hours. So we're going to put this into the refrigerator, into the freezer section for a good 12 hours. And now friends, after a good 12 hours, here you can see that our ice cream has set so well. So using an ice cream scooper or a spoon, we're going to nicely scoop out this amazing mango ice cream. Now, because the ingredients are very different from the ones which we used in the vanilla ice cream, you won't get a very smooth consistency. It's a little bit on just a little bit harder rather, I would say, than the vanilla ice cream. The vanilla ice cream is extremely smooth. The 3 ingredient recipe, I will leave a link below, but the flavor of this ice cream is just amazing. So friends, I hope you love this recipe. I hope you try out this recipe. Please leave your comments in the comments box below as to how your ice cream turned out. And all I can say is happy ice cream making. Enjoy the mango season, and what better way than some lovely homemade mango ice cream. So enjoy this ice cream recipe. See ya. Please do give this video a big like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon for updates. Visit my channel for more than 140 recipes. And thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another video.